Actually doesn't look all that bad except for right here. So let's go ahead and take this off and we can kind of inspect all of it. Big thing that you want to look for in these is making sure that these ports right here, this little one, is clear. And let's wipe this off. You want to clean those out because that's where the oil actually goes into the bar. So we'll get a little flathead or a pick to clean that out. You just go and just clean this out really good. And then you just basically want to clean out this channel. Make sure it doesn't have too much stuff in it. Just took it over to the sink. Quick little wash under hot water and just used a old toothbrush that I had and looks pretty good. All right, let's clean this guy off. Sure that your oil ports are clear, and as long as they're clear, you should have no problem with oil coming out of them as long as your pump is good. Just check the teeth, make sure that these little teeth on this gear look fine, and as long as it does, and seems to lock. All right, that's all it takes just to inspect your chainsaw to make sure that everything is working good. As long as you clean out the oil port and then also on the bar, make sure that that port is clear. Make sure that your chain guides are clear on your bar. Make sure both sides, the oil ports are actually clear so oil can get in there. Just make sure things like this is spinning freely, and yeah, you should be good. Some people flip the bar every time they put the chain on. That's what I usually do. I believe I had it right side up, and so whenever I go to put this back on, I'm just gonna pop it on just like that.
So this maintenance is super easy. You could do this as many times as you want. You could do it after each time you use a saw, or just do it about every 3 to 4 times. It'll help prolong the life of your saw and make it run smoothly for a long time. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. It really helps out my channel. And as always, get out there, run, bike, build, and just have fun. We'll see you in the next one.